YouTube, what's going on? It's your weekend gardener here. I want to do a little quick video on how my citrus trees are doing, especially my brown select. A couple of weeks ago, my trees took a big hit because of lack of light. So what I did is I brought them in, took them outside for a couple of weeks while the weather was pretty good. And then what I did was I brought them back in, and I decided to put them in my grow tent to try to revive them. Now these are evergreens and they're going to be okay, but just wanted you to see the status of this tree. See how everything's kind of crumpled up and brown, crispy. I got like one leaf right here that survived, but it's doing okay. It's doing okay. What I did is I put some chicken poop down here and some, I think it's pronounced bokashi, but it's like a supplement to help the trees out. So far, no progress on it, but it is still green. Hoping that it will survive, but it should. And while I'm here, might as well peek at a couple of other trees and see how they're doing. Variegated lemon, looking good. My owari started getting orange. These will be ready probably within a month or so. Lemon trees, lime trees. Wanted you to see this one though. I'm very impressed with this because it was actually all the leaves fell off. I believe this is one of my lemon trees. I couldn't even recognize it because all the leaves fell off. But if you look real closely, here, here, and along here, it's starting to get new leaves. These weren't here a few days ago, so that's a good sign that this is still with us. Also, another tree. This is my lime clippings. And since I bought it in here, it took off. This is new, and these are new. All these are new. So, this tree is still alive. It's still with us. So, stay tuned. I'm going to keep you abreast of how everything is doing. Give you updates from time to time. Even this one. Leaf here and a leaf here. So that's good. Very good. So what looks like the bokashi and the chicken poop actually worked. So I'm going to keep up the work and see what we come up with. Thanks for watching.